name is Darren Harp, and today we're doing a demonstration video for our universal power unit. So this universal power unit can not only power a compactor, but it could also power a baler or other variety of equipment. So if you have one of these, it's going to look a bit different if you're used to a standard power unit that would come directly with a compactor. So a universal power unit is going to have an ANSI compliant light that is flashing when it's in automatic mode and all systems are go. The key should be in the on position. And of course, if it's connected to a compactor, you want to double check that photo eye to make sure it's clean with a soft cloth and some water, no cleaners necessary. And on the other side of that, directly across the compactor from your photo eye is a reflector plate, which should also be kept clean with a soft cloth and water. One last note about the photo eye and the reflector, you're going to want to make sure those are wiped down in between each changing of the can, just to make sure no trash spilled on it, anything smeared on it, anything like that. So every time you change a can, just make it a policy that you're going to go in there and make sure your photo eye and your reflector plate are clean. All that's done and your ANSI light is flashing, you're in automatic mode and you're ready to go. So if you walk into your discharge room and your universal power unit is there, but the flashing ANSI light is not flashing, that means you're not in automatic mode. So there are a few things that could have happened that we need to address before we can reset the machine and put it back into automatic mode. If your universal power unit is powering a compactor, on the side of the hopper of the compactor there is an access door. If someone has opened up that door, you will need to reset the power unit. So first things first, make sure that door is closed and then move on to the next possible scenario. There is a key on your power unit that should be in the on position. If it's not, put it into on and then we're going to reset the machine. You have a service disconnect on the wall near your compactor. Just make sure that's in the on position. If someone turned it off for whatever reason, you will need to reset the machine. And of course, there is an emergency button on your power unit. And if someone pressed that, you're going to need to pull it back out and reset the machine. So now that we've checked those different scenarios and made sure that our access door is closed, our key's in the on position, the emergency button's not pressed, and our service disconnect is on. Once we've gone over all of that, now it's time to reset our universal power unit. To reset the machine, you walk up to the green button, which is just below the key, and you press that button in and release it. Now there will be an ANSI compliant delay. Just hold on for a couple of seconds, and then you'll hear the RAM come all the way out and then go all the way back in. When that happens, your ANSI light will start blinking again, meaning you are in automatic mode. Your universal power unit will hold up to 20 gallons of oil, and we recommend that you change that oil at least once a year. CHUTES International's products are proudly manufactured in the USA. We are your partner in design, build, installation, service, and replacement. We do all of this with one goal in mind: your success.